they go bootlegs. Una mujer from the outside is hot gossip. Alongside is blowing hot stunning success done on the inside is freedom charger. Alongside is yes Joey. And nearing the far turn, una mujer by 3-4 blank hot gossip. And blowing hot and on the outside is stunning success. Rounding the far turn, hot gossips now the leader. Una mujer down on the inside, blowing hot, yes, Joey. And rushing up and getting in the middle, stunning success. Racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Una mujer, hot gossip, blowing hot on the further outside is Ann Getty. And nearing the finish line, blowing hot. From the outside, Una mujer, hot gossip, Maribang down on the inside, and Getty, and finally blowing hot. Hot gossip, Una mujer, Maribang, and Getty, close for your super sa east. Fast forward, stunning success, and